What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. And in this review, we have the Sondiko torch. This is pretty cool. Some people, especially in the auto world, in the auto mechanic shop, they use a torch when they need to like loosen really tight bolts and stuff like that. I use a torch plenty of times when I had to remove brake calipers, nuts, and yeah, so it's interesting, you guys. It's nice, compact, it has a gooseneck on it if you need to get in a certain area, because you know I have the old torch, the original torch, you know, the blue propane torch. All right, so it says how to fill lighter. It says here, number 1, long nozzle butane tank. Number 2, invert lighter and gas cans. And 3, allow to stand for 10 minutes before use. All right, so I believe it don't have nothing in it now. All right, so no, it don't have nothing in it now, you guys. So if I could find some fluid or get some fluid, then I will definitely test it out. All right, you guys, so I am back, and basically I'll be doing probably 2 reviews. I don't know, but I just purchased this. I don't know why I thought the fluid would come with the lighter / torch, but that's my mistake. So anyways, I had to wait a couple of days because I had to order one. So now we are back to finalize this lighter or torch. Here we go. What does it says? Contain as much butane fuel as 20 disposable lighters. Okay. I haven't had a disposable lighter in a long time, you guys. And actually, I still use my electrical lighter, the rechargeable one. Let's see how we add this stuff. Okay. So it says in the instructions when you get this lighter, it says, if you buy a butane can with short nozzle, please don't worry about that. These tools will help you. So basically, if you bought one with a short nozzle, they're saying that these little red tools that came with it will help you because you can put it in if you had a short nozzle, but it looks like it's a long nozzle here. So what we're going to do is just add it. Now, with that being said, I guess you just push it in because there is no instructions on how to do this. So let's go ahead and test out our luck. Oh, maybe I should just aim down, right? I don't want to get this stuff. Oh, smell the fumes. Ugh. On here, they have like a little can thing right there, and we don't have one. So everybody has their little can thing. I don't have that. So you know what I might do? I might use some gloves. I will try to rig up something because this stuff is going to get everywhere. Let me see. I'll get back to y'all. All right, you guys, so this is a very nice torch if you need to do something really quick. I'm not working on my car right now, so I have no bolts that's stuck or, you know, or none of that mechanic stuff, okay? So that will be it. So be safe with this. Don't keep this around your kids, you guys. Put it somewhere safe. Yeah, like all my lighters and stuff, I don't even keep around the kids, especially something like this. I'm definitely not keeping this around no kids because this don't even have a safety. I mean, you could put it on off, put it all the way on the negative and nothing will happen. So you can do that, but kids are smart, you guys. You may think kids are not smart. They're smart. They will look at this wheel right here and play with this wheel. And then the next thing you know it, they'll play with it, turn it all the way, and they could burn themselves. So keep this away from kids, all right? I'm going to try to light up some candles. If I don't get to that, then please like, comment, share, subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next product review.